Yo, what's up everyone? Civic here. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but it's just because due to work, school, and everything else happening around my life, it's just been really busy. But today is the day is where I'm gonna try and install my side skirts on. So from, you could say from, this is the left side, I have the other side over here, but this will pop out a little more. I know it will. I've been wanting side skirts for a while, but these side skirts are from my sponsor, Area Flow Dynamics. Shout out to them. They make wonderful side skirts. They're really awesome. I like how they look, and well, I'll make a time lapse on me installing them because I'm gonna be doing it myself. Will help. So we're gonna see from there later.
Kremston, Навокал стал сам, рифмы писал, дабы ты плясал, гнал Ниссан и нас не бросал, кулаки счесал, партизан метлу привязал, поджигаю саунд, заупал, ракеты на САП, руки к потолкам, намекал, фуфло не толкал, свой бандитский стайл продвигал, и шел на таран, будто бы пирандом, я плыл по волнам, амазоновый навал, йоу, Black Diamond, амбассадор, мастак, ворстрел.
Alright everyone, so while I was installing the side skirt, the drill died on me, sadly, and I mean, I was only gonna put one side skirt, but it's missing like two bolts right here in this area, and one up here in front, so I have to wait till the drill charges back up so I can finish installing one side, and I had to install the other side. Complete fail. I should have had the charger ready from my friend. I should have asked for it just in case. That's my fault. But to be honest, it looks really great. I actually really like how it looks like, to be honest. And like I said, I really want to thank the sponsor, Area Flow Dynamics. I'll tag them in the chat and everything. But it's really great. I like the winglet. Like how it finally goes with the splitter, side skirt, and then with the diffuser. Oh, and also finally got new shoes on.